I had mentioned in a previous video that I wanted to put a shelf above my TV in between my cabinet and the dresser drawer. Anyway, I went to Home Depot, I purchased some wood and some brackets, and took it outside, stained it, and attached these brackets to it and hung it on the wall. Now this extra piece, I'm going to put another one above it eventually. And here I bought another black piece of paper so I could draw. As you can probably see some pencil marks on there, but I was trying to mimic another design that I saw. An ethnic design. African, Indian, Aztec combination onto this. And here I'm using a white marker. And then I'm going to take it, frame it in my IKEA frame. Okay, here it is. And then once it's completely dry, I'm going to frame it in the IKEA frame in the living room. So basically, all the frames in the living room will have some type of black background with white designs, which trying to do a little bit of the African, a little dab of Indian art. Okay, here it is. Excuse the reflection in the back. This one I'm going to take down and change, do something else here. Something more in the line of this to kind of, you know, break up these two here. So that'll be coming soon. See, because I have some over here, different designs, all in black and white. Then over here, I have just here, and then these, which I'm going to take these down. I don't like them. Or maybe I'll trace, or I'll do something with it.